In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment on a Xero invoice. If you're running a business, managing your finances efficiently is crucial. Xero makes it incredibly easy to keep track of your invoices and payments, ensuring your accounting is accurate and up to date. Let's dive into the process. First things first, head over to the Xero website. This is where all your financial management begins. On the top right corner of the Xero homepage, you'll find the Login button. It's your gateway to accessing your financial dashboard, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This information is key to accessing your account, so make sure you enter the details correctly. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. After entering your credentials, hit the Login button to proceed. Successfully logging in takes you to the heart of your financial operations on Xero. To find your way around, look for the Business tab. It's one click away and brings you a step closer to managing your invoices. The Business option is typically located on the top navigation bar and is your portal to various business-related features in Xero. After clicking on Business, your next stop is Invoices. This section is absolutely crucial for tracking payments and managing invoices. The Invoices option will show you a variety of invoice-related actions, but what we're interested in today is checking out those that are awaiting payment. In the Invoices section, locate and click on Awaiting Payment. This action filters your invoices to show only those that haven't been settled yet. It's a fantastic way to quickly see which invoices need your attention for payment processing. As you look at your list of invoices under Awaiting Payment, find the specific invoice you'd like to add a payment to and select it. This might involve a bit of scrolling if you have many outstanding payments, so take your time to ensure you choose the correct one. Once you've successfully located and selected your desired invoice, look for the Add Payment option. This button is usually positioned in a way that's easy to find, signifying the next action step for clearing an outstanding invoice. Clicking Add Payment is essentially telling Xero, hey, I'm ready to record a payment against this invoice. After you click on Add Payment, you will then enter the amount that was paid. Be sure to enter this information correctly to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. It's key to ensuring your accounts reflect accurate transactions. Next up, you'll need to choose the account from which the payment was made. This could be a bank account, a credit card account, or any other account you've set up in Xero to track payments. Selecting the correct account is crucial for accurate bookkeeping, so take a moment to ensure you get this step right. Lastly, once all the payment details are correctly entered and you've selected the appropriate account, it's time to finalize the action by clicking on Add. This last step officially records the payment against the invoice in Xero, updating your financial records accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment to an invoice on Xero. This process is not only simple but essential for keeping your business finances in check. Remember, regularly managing your invoices and payments ensures you have a clear picture of your financial health, which is vital for any business's success. Keep in mind, accurate financial management is the backbone of any thriving business. With Xero, you're equipped with a powerful tool that simplifies this task, allowing you to focus more on what you do best: running your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials on making the most of Xero and managing your business finances effectively. Happy bookkeeping!